I can get rock solid stabilisation on that.
Stabilisation is a problem. It's when I hit now.
You find?
Yeah, because it's hard to balance. A small little bump in the boat feels like a massive bump. And that's right away from me.
Oh, it should be alright. It should be alright with the camera, but
yeah, that's why I've got the gimbal. I mean, this is great.
Gimbal helps a lot. Yeah.
But the gimbal, because it's slanting as I'm moving.
Yeah, it's self-stabilised. You see, this is the Hero 8. Technically, it's meant to be a gimbal killer. The only thing it doesn't technically have an advantage on, but you can do it in post, is your horizontal stabilisation. So when you're, in fact, right now it's going to be leaning one way or the other here. And I can in post just adjust it and bring it back into, you know. But by doing that, I'm losing a little bit of resolution, and that's half the reason why I film in 4K. Is because if I want to, I can kick it out to 1080, but I can use the 4K if I want to use it for zooms and stuff and things. But I'm experimenting with, it can do up to, I think it's 120 frames per second on 1080, and I'm wondering whether or not I started doing it in that. But the advantage with 120 frames is you've got 8 times slow. Is it 820 or is it 240? I'll have to check. I think it might be 240 actually. Yeah, it's 240. Oh, 200, sorry, if you're using PAL.